the 2025 Chevrolet Spark is back with a bold update that keeps it at the forefront of the compact hatchback segment. Known for its efficiency, urban agility, and affordability, the Spark now comes with subtle refinements and smart tech upgrades that make it one of the most practical budget cars of the year. Let's take a detailed look at everything the new Spark has to offer. On the outside, the Spark retains its compact and youthful design, but the 2025 model features a sharper front fascia, redesigned LED daytime running lights, and a sportier bumper profile. The new alloy wheel designs range from 15 to 16 inches depending on the trim, and two fresh paint options as sunrise copper and glacier blue have been added for a more premium feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Spark continues with its fuel-efficient 1.4-litre inline-4 engine, producing 98 horsepower and 94 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, offering up to 38 miles per gallon on the highway. The performance is modest but ideal for city driving, with quick steering response and an impressively tight turning radius of just 33.8 feet. Inside, the Spark surprises with a refined interior design. The dashboard layout is clean, with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system now standard across all trims. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth and voice command features. The material quality has improved slightly over previous models, with soft touch panels and a new stitched pattern on the seats in higher trims. The seating capacity remains 4, but Chevrolet has enhanced the rear seat cushion thickness for improved comfort. In terms of cargo space, the Spark offers 11.1 cubic feet behind the rear seats and up to 27.2 cubic feet with the seats folded down. It's a tight fit, but the split folding rear seats add some versatility for carrying groceries, luggage, or gear. Safety features have also been enhanced in the 2025 model. Standard equipment includes 10 airbags, rear vision camera, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. The 2LT trim also brings optional features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear park assist, useful tools for city maneuvering. One of the most appealing parts of the Chevrolet Spark continues to be its price. The base LS trim starts at just $15,995, making it one of the most affordable new cars in North America. The mid-tier 1LT trim adds cruise control, alloy wheels, and enhanced audio for around $17,500. Finally, the top-of-the-line 2LT trim, which includes leatherette seating, keyless entry and start, and extra safety tech, is priced around $19,200. Chevrolet also offers a tech package for $495 that includes a Wi-Fi hotspot, a better 6-speaker sound system, and satellite radio. For those who prefer the CVT transmission, expect to pay an additional $1,100 to $1,500 depending on the trim. In terms of maintenance, the Spark continues to be very economical. With a reliable powertrain and low running costs, it's a favorite among first-time buyers and urban dwellers alike. Chevrolet's 3-year/36,000 limited warranty and 5-year/60,000 powertrain coverage provide added peace of mind. So, who is the 2025 Chevrolet Spark 4. It's perfect for students, city commuters, or anyone looking for a reliable second car. It's not a performance machine or a luxury cruiser, but it delivers on what it promises: affordable transportation with a surprising amount of tech and character. If you're shopping for a compact car that doesn't break the bank, the Spark is definitely worth a look in 2025. With rising prices across the auto industry, Chevrolet's decision to keep this car affordable while offering modern features is a smart move, and it keeps the Spark competitive in a market that's increasingly shifting toward expensive SUVs and EVs. That wraps up this in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet Spark. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more car reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.